good, YouTube? Welcome back with another Mr. Lock video. And today, as you can see by the title, I am going to be getting my motor from my dad's shop today. So it's gonna be a little long vlog for you guys. I ain't vlogged in a minute. And also, if you're watching this video, man, you have, if not, seen the new car meet video. Make sure y'all go check that one out too. I'll put that in the link in the description, bro. But yeah, man, right now I'm chilling in the Woodlands, bro. And I just had like a little vacation and shit, and just chilling now, watching some Jamie Foxx. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Right, how it Skittles. Well, also, so yeah, we brought the blue baby with us. As y'all can see, alright. Yeah, man. So what I'm planning on doing, I'm gonna head to my dad's shop first. Move the cars around, put the motor in the front, and then go to the U-Haul place and get a pickup truck, put the motor in the back, then bring the motor to the crib. Then after that, I gotta drop the U-Haul back off, get my car, take it to my brother's job to get my car tinted, bro. So, my bad, guys, the video cut out. But yeah, man, so that's pretty much what we doing today. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next scene, man. We're finna go up. All right, guys, we finally made it, man. We at Kingwood Storage right here. All right, let's go pop this baby open. But before all that, gotta put the boots on. Gotta put my boots on. Can't be working in the J's. We gotta put the boots on. I ain't gonna lie, man. I ain't even washed the car. It rained, but I ain't even washed the car. But bitch, look fire. Bitch, look fire. Y'all should have heard the music when I'm gonna play a clip in there when I was playing the music, but that shit was thumping and bumping and rumping and humping. Yeah. But shit. We put these boots on, and then we're gonna open up the motherfucking gate for y'all. Excuse me for this mess, bro. I had to throw this shit back in there. Y'all gonna see in the video. I had to throw all this shit back in here because I had to fit 4 motherfuckers in the car. Cause the cops was coming when we was at the car meet. Man, that day when Aiden, bro, shout out my brother, bro. When Aiden went to Cavendish to go get him some boots, bro, I was like, man, do I even need boots, bro? And like, I just had bread, so I was like, bro, you know what, fuck it, bro. I might as well spend it. And I did, bro. It was the best decision I ever made in my life, bro. Like, I love these boots, man. I take them bitches everywhere. Church, work, shit. Just work, pause. All right, guys, I got it open, man. Just look at that motherfucker. Wow. Hey, man, y'all should have seen me. I was rolling, but I was in the Woodlands. I was rolling to get to this motherfucker. Bro, this is highway called 245, boy. Nigga, no toll, no nothing, bro. Straight over here to the 69 freeway. Boy, I was zooming. Bro, I was literally, I pushed it as close to like 110, bro. That motherfucker. But I ain't want to go over that because I ain't know if it was like cops or nothing, but here we go. Damn, bro. I thought they said they put the green car. Okay, guys, so is this bitch on the jack? I don't even know. Wait, okay, so they found the key to the green car, but they can't move the gray car. So I think I'm good. Cause this is the only reason I came here. Cause I thought the car right here is the one that's blocking my motor. So I thought I could move this one, but I think I can because they put the key over. So yeah, guys, this is the Kingwood shop. Pretty much all we got here is 2 Fox bodies, 2 badass Fox bodies. You know what I'm saying? And got some motors over there. And that's my motor right there, that blue one right there. So we're gonna take that one, bring it home. And what I'm gonna do, guys, right? So the reason why I came here first is because I wanna get the motor already on this side. I wanna get it already right here. So I don't wanna get the truck and then bring it here and then have to move that out. Nah, that's too much shit. I'd rather move it up here first, right? Then go get the truck, bring it back, boom. Take it to the crib, boom. Come back in my car, boom. And then we straight. Wait, what motor is that? I don't know who that is. Damn, what shit? What the fuck? I got wall juice on me. But all right, guys, I'm gonna set y'all up somehow. I don't know how, but gonna set y'all up and y'all gonna watch me work. Put y'all on a time lapse. But all right, guys, I'll see y'all. All right, guys, hold on, let me pause the music. 1 second. All right, guys, so I'm not gonna be able to record because two things. I gotta hurry up, and another thing, I have nowhere to sit y'all. But basically, so I gotta put the car neutral, just push it back. Probably not that far. I really don't want it to go over that hump, but if it does, fuck it, I'm strong enough to push it back. I just need enough space to get it between there to sit it right here. So when I do want to get it out, I could just go right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll get back to y'all when I do that. Boom. All right, guys, so that was easy pretty much. But yeah, man, dang, this thing need to get cleaned up. I don't know how it rusted. Ain't no water got on it. But yeah, man, this is it right here. Just a 302. It's really a 306. No, 308. It said it was bored or something. I guess it was bored to a 308. But yeah, let me show y'all guys. So if y'all don't remember in the last vlog that I did with this motor, apparently the motor is locked up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna see if I never actually got a chance to rotate the motor to like, I mean, I know they probably checked to see if it's locked up, but I want to make sure, you know what I'm saying? But I don't got that thing though. What other way could I do it? All right, guys, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. Hold on. All right, guys, so we're in a U-Haul right now. We got that big body dually ram. And, bro, this bitch is pretty big as fuck, bro. So, hopefully I get this bitch up on there. Oh, yeah, it'll work for sure. I just gotta scoot back a little bit more. Or, no, it's cool right here. So, yeah, guys, once I load it up, I'm gonna just head to, my crib. And then we're gonna drop the motor off, put it in the garage, take this motherfucker back, and then I'm gonna get my car. And then we're gonna call it a video, man. We're gonna call it a day. But yeah, man, I'll get back with y'all when I do it, man. All right, guys, so let me pause it. Job's done. Got the motor. Got it in the back. Now, unloading it, I'm just back to, well, if I back it up in the garage, it's gonna be high. I gotta see when I get home, so because at first, initially, what I was thinking about is just dropping it on the ground, but my brother probably here. So drop it on the ground with the stand on there, and it ain't gonna go that far. But yeah, I was thinking about dropping it on the ground, and then from there, I just gotta make sure it don't roll or nothing. That's why I got that jack. And then I got some tires in the back in case it does. I just want to hurry get this shit over so I can get these niggas back their truck. And I can go home, take a shower, give me something to drink or something, bro. But all right, guys, I'm going to get back with y'all. Probably not going to get the video unloading it. I'll probably just skip right to where it's at the crib and it's in the garage and stuff like that. Then I'm going to show y'all part 2 of what I'm going to do with it. But yeah, man, y'all, stay tuned, man. The boy working. I had a long day yesterday, and I'm gonna have a long day today. All right, guys. So we made it to the crib, bro. When I was driving, literally, as soon as I made it to the house, that bitch flipped over. It's cool though. So, guys, this is what I was saying, bro. Like, if I bring it down, that's what I'm thinking about, parking it right there, and then I think I'm gonna do that, or back it in enough to where it gets to the garage and then do it. All right, I'm gonna go to the house and then I'm gonna talk to you guys when I finish. All right, guys, we got Aiden Jaw right now. I'm gonna get the tent. I don't know if y'all can see that ugly ass nigga. But yeah, he's gonna pull up. He supposed to be working. This nigga not even working, bro. What you doing? Recording the video? This nigga not even working. Toyota fired this nigga.
His shop thing open. He not in there. I'm gonna go check and see if he over there.
You're not gonna get in trouble, right?
Park down right
Cause that's where his shop at?
Yeah, that's where his shop at, like right there.
Wait, which one?
You see that one that's like barely open at the bottom right there, right there?
Oh, that's the tent shop?
Yeah, that's the tent, yeah, it's tent.
Okay.
You park like down that way.
All right, bet.
Park behind that Challenger.
I'm gonna try. Is it
Yeah,
space?
you can trailer park in there.
Alright.
His van is down.
Alright guys, so my boy Aiden would give me a hookup. So shit, hopefully I leave here with some tent. If not, it's cool. I'm chilling. I really want to though. He said I could park behind the charger, but nigga, it's barely space where I can park behind that nigga. Thinking about just going with a motherfucking. Let me see. Bro, there's no space by this motherfucker. Ugh. Hey, best parallel parker in the motherfucking world, my nigga. Best parallel parker in the motherfucking world, bro. Stop playing on me, nigga. Alright, we chillin'. Alright, guys, so we just gonna wait. The dude's shop apparently is like right there, the one with the gate barely open. So, shit. After this, hopefully you see your boy with some new tent. I'm gonna get the darkest that they got, bro. Darkest. But yeah, man. Alright guys, so we back at the crib and this is the next day. I couldn't finish it yesterday because I had some other stuff going on. But yeah guys, let me show you the tent. So it looks dark, but this is only 15, bro. It's pretty good. That's the lowest he could go was 15. But I told Aiden, I was like, for free, bro, that's perfect. And also, my other tent on the other side was already messed up, so I was like, bro, I just got some new tent I gotta fix. I don't know if y'all remember, it had like a little streaks right there, but yeah, man, bro, this is perfect. I'm gonna show y'all on the inside too. Hold on. So yeah, bro, this is high quality ass tent. Like, it's light on the inside, but when we go on the outside, it's dark. So, and I already got a tent on the back window too, man. So yeah, guys. 10 out of 10, bro. My boy Aiden hooked me up. Well, he and his homeboy hooked me up with some tent and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying? My boy Aiden always coming through with the hookups and stuff like that and the connects. What can I say, my boy? But yeah, guys, make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know. Should I go lower? Should I keep it like this? I also want to get like some front tent too, but I don't know about that because I know they be talking about cops pulling you over and shit, and I ain't trying to get pulled over. I ain't got time for that, but yeah, guys. So that's it for the tent. Let me show y'all the motor, and we're gonna talk about what my dad told me about the motor and stuff like that. All right, guys. So here it is. Finally got the motor in here. And my dad was looking at it. We had to put this on here. I need to get one like this because that came from that motor right there. So we just use it to turn it over and see if it turns over. So at first it wasn't turned over, right? Because it's apparently locked up. But my dad took out 2 of these rods, right? And he said apparently was probably stopping the motor from turning over when these pistons and rods connected is because they're probably entered in the wrong way. Like the pistons, I'll show y'all. So he showed me like this right here is always supposed to be on the right side facing that way, right? So you see how this one, you can see it's facing that way, that one facing that way, that one facing that way. And then on the other side, see they're all facing that way, right? So these, I don't know if they're all facing the same way because the heads are still on there. So that's what I was gonna do in the second video. I didn't tell y'all yet, but I'm gonna disassemble this motor to see what it exactly is going on with it, you know, and then from there we gonna just start from there and build it up, you know. So the first order of business is taking the heads off, assessing the heads, and just learning as I go, because this is my first time doing it. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but I don't know a lot about motors. I want to learn, and I have my dad that knows a lot about it. So anything that I'm getting knowledge on is always coming from him or other sources, but mainly him, because he knows most about this, because he's built plenty of these type of motors, plenty of 302s, 351s, mainly Fords, built LS too. Like my dad can do everything. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna continue to learn from him, Because eventually I want to, you know everything by myself to where I don't got to, like, go to other people and stuff like that. Now, I know sometimes you're not going to know everything, but it's good to know a majority of what you're doing so you don't have to always depend on other people. So, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Ain't gonna lie, guys, we did a lot of stuff that day. We knocked a lot of stuff out, man, but you know what I'm saying? But that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. And stay tuned for actually part 2 when we disassemble this motor, man. See y'all in the next one.